Hey guys, I'm back. This is Mike, aka Prime. Thank you for all your likes and subscribes and your comments. Sorry if I couldn't comment on everyone's on my other videos. It's just that it's kind of tough to keep up, but I try my best to try to respond as soon as possible. All right, so today I'm gonna do a video on basically how to clean your browser history and remove cookies, and also the importance of like doing that because a lot of things can happen if you don't clean your browser history or your cookies in that nature. So first thing, let's talk about like cookies and stuff like that. Cookies first off is basically it knows your interest of like what you do when you go to like certain websites. Like let's say if you like Ferraris, right? You you type in Ferraris, you've been looking at Ferraris, and then all of a sudden you start seeing pop-ups of Ferraris keep coming up. So it's good to clean that out, especially like if you're doing like if you're traveling and going away and then you're trying to find the cheapest flights. The thing is that your cookies start to build up. So like have you ever noticed like when you go to a different website, like say like Travel Velocity or something, like it knows already that you're what day you're leaving and what time you're returning, is because your cookies is building up. So it's always good to clean your cookies when you're traveling, because you're not going to get the special rate because it already knows what you're trying to do. So that's why you should clean your cookies. History, like a lot of people have built up histories. I mean, that can slow down your browsers too. So can your cookies. So you want to clean those two probably like every like once a month or like once every 2 months. Um, Also, you have a lot of cache that builds up in the background too. Like let's say if you click on a photo or something like that, and then that stores as a temporary file within your computer. So you want to clean all that stuff out. So we're going to clean that stuff out using CCleaner. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and also I'm going to show you how to manually clear your history out on three browsers on Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Chrome. So first, um, let's download CCleaner. I already have it downloaded, but these are for the people that don't have it downloaded. Um, so let me just open the Firefox, and then we'll type in Google. We'll just type in CCleaner. All right, and then you don't want to never click on the ads because that's like promotional stuff. So you want to click on the actual link here. Click download, download here, and then just save it. All right, and then hit the executable here. It opens up. Let's customize it. Now you can change all this. I usually uncheck like the middle parts here. I don't need all of this to happen, and just install. All right, once you have CCleaner, now on the left here, you see how everything it cleans up. Just go through it. Make sure you want it to clean all this. A lot of people don't want their recycle bin to be clean, so uncheck that if you don't. I don't care. I don't really have anything in there. But if you do have a recycle bin, if this will delete your anything that you have in the recycle bin, so be careful with that. Yeah, so just go through and make sure anything that you need on this list, just uncheck it. But if you don't need it, like I don't, just keep it there, and yeah, and just hit run cleaner, and then hit OK. And now it's gonna clean your cookies, your history, and everything on your browsers, which is pretty good. So let's give it a sec. Also, like you see how since I have Firefox open, it's gonna tell me I have to close it out because it won't clean properly. That will happen to any browser that you have open. If it's Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and also Firefox, it could be even if you use like Safari and other things, that will happen as well. So I'm gonna close that out just for now. All right. So once it's cleaned, it gives you like a little report at the end. Here's the report of like everything that it found, which is good. Uh, so let's close this out and let's open up Firefox. And then I'm gonna go in my history, and as you can see, everything is gone now. That's because it cleaned through it. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's a pretty good thing to clean out your histories and like cookies, like I said before. Now I'm gonna show you guys basically how to clean your browser's history. Like some people want to clean their history just for the day, or like maybe all the history. I'm gonna first open up Microsoft Edge. So let's say if you wanted to clear up your history of Microsoft Edge, you click on these lines here, and then you go to history, and then you clear history, and then it'll clean out your cookies, the cache data, and browsing history if you want to do it that way. Um, so you just hit clear, and that'll clear all your history out within there. So let's close this out, and then now we'll go to Firefox. Now if I want to clear my history on here, I'll click on the three lines, go down to history, alright, and then I'll do clear recent history. Alright, the thing that's good about Firefox and Google Chrome is that you could do it by last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, or even today, or you could just do everything. So this is pretty cool. Microsoft Edge doesn't do it because, you know, it's Microsoft, so you can't do no complaining about that. And also, you can look at the what other things that you could check off here. It does the cookies like we did before, cache, and browsing like download histories and stuff like that. So that's good to do as well. So what we'll do is we do the last hour. Like let's say if you were looking at stuff, I don't know, you're looking what you're gonna shop for your wife or something, and you didn't want to look at the history and you did it only for an hour, just click on the hour, bam, it's gone. All right. And I'm gonna show you how to do it in Chrome. So let's click on Chrome, because everyone uses different browsers. Like my favorite browser is Firefox. A lot of people like Chrome. A lot of people even use Microsoft Edge. Alright, so just hit the three lines, go history, click history, and then what you want to do is clear browsing data. Now the thing is, why it's clear, remember we did CCleaner. So CCleaner actually clears out all browsers that you have open. That's why I don't have any history, but this is if you want to do it separately. So we'll click clear, and then same thing. You see how Firefox had it? So Chrome does a little bit different. I mean, it does last hour, it does the day, it does the week, and then the last four weeks, and then it does the beginning of the time. That means everything. So same thing. We can clear it. Also, you can clear passwords and stuff. Firefox is the same thing too. But we want to keep that, so we just clear the data, and bam, it's gone. So let's just wrap up things. So basically, yeah. So it's good to clear out your cookies, cache, temporary files. Just use CCleaner once in a while. If you see that your browser is going a little slow, sometimes it's good to clear out your browsing histories and your cache and stuff like that. And then we also just went through how to do it through each browser, how to just clear out the history, and if you want to clear out the cookies through the independently of the browser. If you don't want all the browsers to be clear and you just want to clear out that certain browser, you can do it that way as well if you don't want to use CCleaner. But I highly recommend CCleaner. It's a pretty good application. So thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you.